Assalamu alaikum. Leo nina recipe ya kutengeneza mifuko za kuwekea sambusa ama manda za sambusa. So niko na hapo 1 cup of flour, nikaweka chumvi kidogo, just a pinch of salt, then nikaweka maji, just warm water, ukitaka pia cold it can do. Then nikakanda at least iwe na that texture, not too hard, not too soft. Nikaweka mafuta hapo, and then nilitengeneza kidogo manake ilikuwa ya just one evening, and so I decided to make a video about it. So nikagawa hapo madonge kidogo kidogo because my pan is not that big, so if I make them too big haitatoshea kwa pan. So hivyo, that's the way I measure mine, kujua kama to make them even zitoshane. So from there nikaziwacha settle for some 5 minutes, then nikaanza roll out. So this is the most crucial part about making hizo manda. So you don't want to make your kichapo hivyo so big. Just roll it out kidogo, paka mafuta, mwagilia some flour kidogo so that it cannot stick. You know, we are piling up these chapos. We are piling them up. Then we're going to be cooking them at once. So kuweka hivyo mafuta na unga, it will make them not stick to each other, and later on manda zetu zitatokea smart sana, very soft, hazitararuka, zitakuwa sawa sana. So mi hapa nilikuwa natengeneza just a few because my daughter was really bugging me about eating sambusas that day. Nikaamua tu wacha nitengeneze video niwaonyeshe how to make them. Hapo bado tunaendelea. Don't mind about the shape, bora we get the end results.
What is the name of my first good picture on a Hajiratanon? Whoa. How does that happen, Brad? This is my best friend on the yearbook committee. Let this happen! I don't know, Sue. I'm not in charge of that part of the yearbook. Somehow I just ended up in charge of choosing picks for wrestling and the guys' swim team. Okay. So what happened?
So repeat the process mpaka zote ziishe. So ya mwisho we won't put anything, tutaiwekelea tu hapo juu. Now this is another part that's very important. We have to make them even. Naona kama hapo kuna layers zingine ziko big, others are small. So here we try to make them even, tunazitoshanisha so that we can roll them out before we put them on the pan. So nikavuta hapo kidogo, and as you can see zimeatoshana somehow. So you roll them out, but not so much. Remember the size of your pan as you're making this. So yangu haikuwa big. You can see my pan is not that big. So that's how I was doing it. And then wakati unapika, you use low heat, because ukitumia high heat zitararuka. So I was done, then I was peeling them now. Then you be careful, usivute kwa haraka sana, they might end up tearing. So that's a technique that I use. Nazikunja kwanza, and then I pick them up to avoid that tear. Then I stack them together, nikakata the harder part, and also to get an even round shape. Ndio tukikata baadaye manda zetu ziwe at least they are even. Remember, hata kama ni ya kupika nyumbani, we must make our meals look presentable. So nikakata hapo katikati. You might leave them as that. Unaweza iwachia hivyo, unaweza kunja hivyo, and there you have your manda. You see, that's a big one, but today what we are doing, tutazikata 4 times. Just like that. Naona venye manda zetu zimetokea vizuri sana. So that's how you do it. Unakunja hivyo, you put your sambusas there. And there you have it. Unatengeneza manda. Zikiwa nyingi, unaweza zistore kwa fridge for up to 3 days. Yeah. And that is it. That's our recipe. Enjoy.